Oh no, the Paw Patrol are locked up on the bed. How are we ever going to save them? They're trapped.
Welcome to our Paw Patrol themed escape room for children. One fun way to play on a snowy Saturday afternoon. This is not a typical travel video. It's a snowy weekend here in Alberta, so to keep the kids entertained, I devised an indoor escape room adventure. Some friends of mine asked to see how I did it, so I'm sharing here.
So we are trying our very first attempt at an escape room. We're gonna solve some mysteries, right guys?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. I'm excited because I'm jumping.
Okay, well let's see if you guys can figure this out. It says, the Paw Patrol has been trapped. To solve the mystery, you must start off with a bang. Bang's in pink, so it's an important word. You'd better book it to find the right tool for the job. The word book is in pink, so that's an important word. So bang and book. What are you guys gonna look for when you go in there?
I think I want to find some paper. I think I want to.
What are our important words?
What?
Bang and book. So maybe you should look for something like that.
Bang!
Yeah, that's for bang. What does it say on it?
What?
It says, pop me. We gotta find, oh, wait, hey. We gotta find the right tool for the job, our note said. Listen, it said you better book it to find the right tool for the job. You better book it to find the right tool for the job. There they are, they're trapped. Oh, they're trapped with a lock. Oh no, Paw Patrol.
Found some.
You better book it. Oh, you found some books. Well, both of you take a little peek.
This one.
Yeah, look through it. What do you think?
Take a peek.
Take a peek.
What?
Are you finding any clues?
Not yet. What? I found a clue.
What'd you find? Oh, an interesting picture. Is that going to help us solve the mystery though?
No.
We need to find the right tool for the job for that balloon.
This one.
Oh, Parker, come here.
What?
Look what Abby found. She found a book that has a secret compartment. Let's lay it down. Look what's inside. Wait, we gotta read the note. The note says, this case is off to a popping good start.
Can I do it?
Can Parker pop it? Because there's something else for you to do later, okay?
Okay.
Woo! What was inside?
How did you blow that up?
Whoa, there's a clue inside the balloon.
A map. A map. Mommy holds the map because she...
Oh, okay, just wait. What's this? Should we read our clue? Unfold the clue. It says, gotta move so I can fill it. To unlock the Paw Patrol, you need a 4-digit code. We need a code with 4 numbers. Solve the maze to figure out where to find your first number. Hang on, this is Abby's because you like to pop it, okay? So if we go out this corner, we look under the dresser. If we go out this corner, we look in the closet. If we go out this corner, we look in the bathroom. And if we go out this corner, we look in the window. We gotta start right here.
I am gonna choose. We need to follow the orange. We gotta find our way out.
Where did it go? Where do we have to look? Under the dresser. Look together. Under.
Where's the dresser?
That big piece of furniture right there is the dresser.
Under?
Yeah.
Guess what I found?
What'd you find? Show Mom. Oh, what is that? Take it out of the bag. Let's see. What is it? It's a puzzle.
But it's so floppy.
Well, it's just made out of paper, so you guys have to work together. Put it together.
Maybe you can do it, Abby. Maybe you can do it. Let's do it together. First, can we do the cat? Yeah. First, we're gonna.
So remember, we need a 4-digit code. So we're looking for 4 numbers. I think your cat's head is on upside down by his feet. All right. Gotta line it up nice so we can read the message. The clue says your first number is 3. Next clue is somewhere dark and dreamy. Where? Listen to the words. Dark and dreamy. Where do you have dreams? Where could that next clue be? Try not to, don't trash my room though.
It should be somewhere in the pillow.
Well, it said dark and dreamy.
Dreamy. Dark and dreamy.
Keep looking, you're on the right track.
On the right track. Whoa! Can I do it?
You guys can do it together. Okay, you found the next clue.
Hey, I found something. You do that when I try to find this little tricky.
It's got to make a number. That doesn't look like a number, does it?
It's because it's not folded up the right way.
Anything with that?
5!
So what's our first number?
5!
What's our first number?
3, 4, 5.
3, 5. Okay, what's our clue say?
Mom, we still need our maze.
Says to find the next clue, look in one of Daddy's drawers. So this one, and this one are Daddy's, but also, Parker, that side of the bed over here has Daddy's drawer. We're looking for something strange. Anything interesting or different? Parker, what'd you find? What do you think about that? Does that look kind of strange? Come show Abby.
What could be in it?
Don't rip at it. We gotta solve it. It's a puzzle box.
Puzzle box.
How do we, here, sit down. How do we get this puzzle box open? Oh, a little piece fell out. Okay. Oh, and the top slid off. What'd you find? Show Mom. Slow down, slow down. Oh, a key and a clue.
You carry
Good job, Parker, opening the puzzle box. Good work. It says 2. That's our next number. And then it says reflect on where your next clue is. What reflects?
A mirror.
A mirror. So we've got this mirror or that mirror. Which mirror do you think? You gonna look for a clue around this mirror? Abby's gonna look for a clue around that mirror.
Maybe this mirror.
Oh, Abby found something. What is it?
Oh.
Oh, and look, what do you have? What did you find? She got it.
Oh.
Okay, what's in there?
A clue. It's a very important.
It says your last number is 6. Now go save the PAW Patrol. So we've got 3, 5, 2, 6. Let's go save the PAW Patrol. Now, Mommy might have to help you with this lock. Okay, we've got it. 3, 5, 2, 6. All right, we finally got the lock. Let's save the PAW Patrol. Yay! You did it! You saved your beloved Paw Patrols. What did you guys think about your very first escape room?
Good.
Did you like it?
Yeah, and now start another one.
No, because that took me like 3 hours to make and it took you 15 minutes to finish, so it takes me too long. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yay!
Although not as fun as a tropical vacation to Jamaica, we still managed to have fun on this frosty November day. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and feel free to comment. What's a fun escape room puzzle we could try next? For those of you returning to my channel, welcome back. I truly appreciate your support. If you're new, please consider subscribing to become a part of my YouTube community.